Welcome back to the Spartan Investor Conference 2025 at the heart of Times Square. I'm Jane King, and you're watching Idea Exchange on NextGen TV. And with me is Greg McKenzie, the CEO of Silverstorm Mining. So tell me about the company. Lay the groundwork. You're mining silver, right? Where and why?
Well, good afternoon, Jane. Nice to be with you here today. And indeed, we are a silver development company. We will be taking the historic producer at La Paria in Durango State, Mexico, back into operations in the second quarter of 2026. So we're really excited to talk about it today.
So tell me about this mine. So it's in Mexico. You've got a capital investment, right, to bring it online. What was that like, getting that money to be able to do that?
Well, very exciting for our shareholders. This mine was a prior producing mine owned by First Majestic Silver. And we acquired the mine in 2023. And since that time, we've had various investors come in to fund the drilling and rehabilitation of the mine and the plant. And so now we are fully funded for operations, and the long lead items will be delivered in December, and then we go toward operations in second quarter of 2026.
And silver has been very interesting market. Did it reach record highs or get close? Or
It
both silver and gold have been doing really well in 2025.
Yeah, silver's had a fantastic run, probably the best commodity performing percentage-wise in 2025.
Mm.
Gold has been running a little bit longer, but silver is starting to have its day. Most commentators think silver is going to triple digits, and we were quite satisfied if silver would be $30 plus,
Mm.
as this La Paria mine would do very well under those circumstances. But with higher prices, it'll do even better. So we are really excited about the future for La Paria.
Yeah. And Samsung has also made a deal with you, an agreement, an investment. Explain what that is.
So it was quite a coup for us to get Samsung as one of our stakeholders. We ran a process over 11 months and included many of the other off-takers, and we were quite excited and happy to have Samsung sign up a deal with us. And so they'll be buying our concentrate over the next couple of years, and towards that they put in 7 million US as the part of the offtake agreement.
Yeah. Now, silver is interesting because it's got industrial uses as well as an inflation hedge. What all is silver used for?
So many things. Silver is primarily, in terms of the industrial uses today, used for photovoltaics, so that's
Mm.
solar panels,
Yep.
and then also for high-end electronics and things of that nature, AI, and that's very important. Because silver is in a deficit, that meaning that the primary producers of silver are not able to produce all that the market is demanding. So the excess supply is coming from recycled silver, but you can only do that once.
Ah.
So that's really exciting about silver. It underpins the fundamental value of silver being higher for longer. And then also, as you mentioned, there's a monetary side to silver.
Hmm.
Gold being a monetary metal, and then silver is also a monetary metal. So really good demand fundamentals for silver.
Yeah. How can somebody follow Silverstorm either on socials or website, or how can they follow you and see what the company's doing?
So of course we have a website under silverstorm.ca. We're also trading on the exchange here, SVRS. F is our ticker in on the OTC,
Hmm.
and SVRS is our ticker in Canada. So happy to have people following us.
Yeah. Okay, Greg, thank you so much for coming and explaining the company and learning, teaching me about silver. So
Thank you,
appreciate
Jane.
it. Yeah, thank you. And thank you as well for joining us. We will have more interviews with CEOs on some very interesting companies coming up. Stay tuned.